Hey everybody, J&A Review, and today we're at Triple H RV right here in Haleyville, Alabama. Now, big special thanks to Triple H RV. They are a great supporter of our channel, and we have been coming over here for 3 years doing their inventory, recording their inventory, and so a big shout out to Shane and everybody at Triple H RV. Thank you guys so much. Now, today we've got a good one. It's a 2025 Keystone Sprinter, model number 3210 RLS. So let's get started. The length on this Sprinter is 37 feet, 4 inches. The dry weight is 10,875 and a hitch weight of 2,180. Now, let's see, here they are, the GVWR of 14,100. Now, this is the first time we've got to see the new paint schemes on the Sprinter.
We haven't seen their new graphic package, so we really are liking the way these are looking. Now, guys, we wish you would hang around to the end of our video. We would like to show you some trailer hitch locks made by Proven Industries. They are a great company to work with, and we actually have one of their products, and so we would love you to hang around.
And it's great that they partnered with us. So thanks, Proven Industries.
Yeah. So let's start at the front like we always do.
Hey, I like where they put the spare.
Yeah, you can easily find it. So you got some great space up here.
That was just funny. I couldn't help it.
I know. Your batteries are going to go over here. They give you this really nice outside light so you can see out here. Coming on around. Now this is going to have 4-point electric leveling, and your leveling is going to be behind that little door up there. It's locked. So here is one of your propane tanks. Yeah, they give you a 30 on it. Coming on down, here is one side of your pass-through storage, and it's finished out really well. And this is locked. That's going to be
the docking
your docking
bay.
bay. Yeah.
So that's really cool.
And
tankless water heater.
So right down here is going to be one of your dump areas. Yeah, pull handles way over there. Coming on down through here. Not an upgraded suspension on this one, but I do still really like these new graphics they have.
Now, me and you, we were just discussing, these are the wide body.
Wide body.
My brother's kind of wide body.
Yeah, he's going to sit on you too when he hears you. But in case you couldn't tell, there's some neat little triangle graphics in their new package there. Now, looking at the back, you're going to have a nice big window back here. It's prepped for the Lippert ladder, and it's also going to be prepped for a backup camera. Now, these are going to have cable slides. We know there's mixed feelings about those, so we'll just tell you right up front, all the slides are going to be cable driven. You're going to have 2 power awnings. One is 10 and the other is 19. So let's show you the other side of this pass-through storage. Again, nice and finished out. And in case you can't tell, there is a vent right up there, so you do have a heated area and your second propane tank. If you want to bring a TV outside, they do give you antenna and cable hookups and a plug-in.
And you mentioned something about these steps. I've never seen these.
No, these are new steps. I like them, and I can't tell
who makes it.
I can't tell who makes it, but I like them.
All right, this is kind of different. Kinda, sorta.
Sort of. I think you guys are going to like it.
Especially if somebody that's working on the road.
Yeah, so let me give you just a little sneak peek here before we come all the way in. But I do want to start right here at the front door. You have a nice little seat where you can sit and put your shoes on, and the fuses are going to be below it. You have some hooks there for your jackets or dog leashes. And then there is an open storage right up above it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sorry, I was playing with the dimmable light
Well,
switch too.
yes.
So
So
it's really cool.
Yeah, all of your controls, switches, buttons are all going to be right there. Hey, let's just start with the pantry
Okay.
because it's nice.
Wow.
Yes, nice big lighted pantry. You got storage all the way down here to the floor. Now you see that your heating is going to be in the floor in this one. They are incorporating these really neat LED light strips throughout the ceiling, which we like a lot. I'll go ahead and show you. You do have your AC unit there. And guys, I just wish you could see how
Look
huge
how big
this island is. Now, the Sprinter series is not going to give you a solid surface, but oh my goodness, how much room you have in this island. You've got this huge single basin sink, storage down below, this little garbage chute area that I'm going to be honest, I'm not really sure how you're going to use that, but it's there. You have a very loud noise, so sorry. 4 drawers here, great storage. And then there's even more storage on the other end. I mean, because this island is just so big.
And if that's not small enough, I mean, big enough, you still got a little...
Yeah, they give you a pull-up extension at the end.
Wow.
Of course, this bar is so large that you have 4, I can't even count, 4 bar stools.
Wow.
There is a plug-in here. Actually 2 plug-ins and USB down there. So yes, you could sit at this island and work, or you could sit over here. They actually give you a desk.
That is...
Yeah, really nice. So you have drawers there. They do give you a power of tower right there on the corner. And then there's some open storage on this side. So yeah, hey, anybody that needs to work from the road or just wants to sit here and watch your neighbors, you can do that.
Missed the fridge.
Well, I just haven't gotten to it yet.
Well, I'm just kind of getting it ready. Thank you.
Coming over into your kitchen, you are going to have a nice residential side-by-side fridge. Moving on down. Really good storage all the way around your microwave. Big microwave. Again, not solid surface. It is not offered in this line, but goodness at all this storage. You have a nice big 3-burner cooktop, good size oven,
And one more right there.
and even more storage. And then you move into your entertainment center. And to me, that looks like a 42? No, 50.
I don't know.
I don't know. He did not bring his tape measure in.
I can delete all of it.
Okay, so we're going to measure
50.
50.
50 inch.
Nice size in here. There is going to be storage up above it.
Yep.
Pretty good storage, actually. Looks like your Bluetooth and speakers are all going to be controlled right there. And you do have a really nice electric fireplace down below that. At the back, you have a sofa that's going to make into some sleeping. You have storage up above, and they're not strutted, so you are going to have to hang on to those when you open them. Pleated shades. You have end tables on both sides. Power, USB, USB-C. You are going to have that on both of those. Then, right next to your wonderful desk area, you actually have a theater seating. So there's some storage there in the middle, cup holders.
Wireless charging.
Wireless charging. And again, this is your campsite, so you have these really nice big windows out here.
How you like the pendants there?
Really nifty lights.
I like that. All right.
I don't think anybody says nifty anymore.
Nifty.
Nifty. Alright, might need to get just a little bit of WD-40 on this door here. But we're going to move in here to the bathroom. Now, Jeremy is 6 feet tall. There is a skylight up there. And there's one of those LED light strips, so you have a light in your shower. This is a wide shower, too.
30 by 48.
Wow.
Yeah.
And it is basically flush with the floor.
Yeah.
Yeah. So over here you've got some linen little cubbies. You can roll your towels up. Your foot flush toilet down here is in a really good angle.
Heating vent back there, just in case you want to point that out.
Yes.
And
over here.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, your vanity area is going to give you 3 drawers and some storage underneath the sink.
Yeah.
It's a nice big oval sink, actually. Again, not solid surface in here, and there's not a mirror. There's not a medicine cabinet, but they give you a nice big round mirror that I like a lot. Plunger or no plunger?
No plunger.
No plunger.
Really needed the
Yeah, it did kind of need a medicine cabinet.
Yeah. Sorry.
But the shower by itself
It is very nice.
is very, very nice. I am a little bit surprised that they put the retractable door
Yeah.
on it. We have the retractable door. Love it. No
Yeah,
problems.
no problems.
But that's a very big shower for it. All right, let's move here into the master bedroom. They give you a king-size bed. You do have some lights right up there. And looks like you've got USB and USB-C on both sides. Your light switch is going to be over there.
Oh, now that's neat.
Yeah,
I like that.
I like they put them on a light switch. You do have a plug-in there, and I don't see one on this other side, so it may only be on one side. Really good storage underneath the bed, though. And then when you turn around, at the foot of the bed, you've got a 3-drawer dresser.
Wow.
Yeah, those are nice sized drawers in
Yeah,
there.
they are.
Now, if you want to add your second TV, it'll go right up there. You do have a second AC in here. Let me get over here and turn around, show you this really great closet. So over here, you've got a shelf, or you can remove the shelf and do stackable washer and dryer, or a combo unit. Your front closet, you do have a hanging bar across the top. I love that they give you a light. You have a plug-in in here.
That may be your plug-in for your
Yeah,
side of the
since they
bed,
didn't
too,
give you one on
since-
this side of the bed.
Yeah.
But yeah, nice. I'm not really sure what you're strapping in back here, unless you move your bar stools in here.
Maybe.
I don't know. But they give you a strap, so if
I bet you that's probably what it is for travel.
If you need to secure something in there it is.
You know what? Call me crazy, but I think I like plain doors. I
like the plain doors instead of the mirrored ones. Y'all tell us what you think about that.
Yeah, tell us what you think.
We've seen so many that they put the mirrors in there, and to me that's just something that's going to crack and break, and you're going to have to replace them anyway. So, what do you guys think? And also, what do you think of this massive island in here?
Well, that's what I was going to ask you. What do you like?
I love this island.
Yeah.
Yeah, I know some people may think, well, goodness, that takes up a lot of space. But again, if you're on the road a lot or you're entertaining, this is a really good setup.
I mean, if you have some friends over, you could make a big old taco bar out of this.
Yes.
I like that. I like having the desk over here as a option for people that want to work on the road.
Yes.
It's really cool. Of course, another rear living layout. Of course, we're kind of fans of those, but Anyway, all right, everybody, if you like this Sprinter fifth wheel, the dealership's information be down in our description. And like always, if you just found our channel, go ahead and subscribe, follow along with us, and give us that thumbs up. Thanks, everybody.
J&A Review is excited to partner with Proven Industries to showcase their trailer coupler locks. Proven Industry makes locks to fit travel trailers, fifth wheels, utility trailers, boat trailers, and more. These products are manufactured out of high-strength impervious materials. They come with a lifetime warranty, same-day shipping, one key for all locks, and best of all, they are made in the USA. Check out all of their products at www.provenlocks.com or find them on Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram.